Get it fully covered.
Quick
You
question.
don't want a giant thick layer though.
Well, I was going to ask. The quick question is that the normal amount of buttercream that
Now,
you put
usually
under fondant?
usually I put a little bit more buttercream on there. Yeah,
Okay.
normally the amount of buttercream on here is a little thicker than a crumb coat. You don't want it really thick because if you do, you know, a 1/4 inch, you know, 3/8 of an inch layer of buttercream, it's going to squish underneath the fondant, you know. So basically, you want better than a crumb coat, a covering so it covers the cake fully, so you don't see cake. So it's a little more than a crumb coat, okay? Just not really thick, and then you end up with squishy. Okay, and yeah, you can firm it up in the freezer again, but who has time to go wait?
Yeah.
Again, okay?
Yeah, we got it. Thank you.
Okay. I was just gonna say that.
I know. You're right there with us. This is the Pet Nice?
Yes, it's still the same stuff. And it's very soft and it's very warm right here, so hopefully it will not rip. Because it's so warm, I'm hoping it won't rip when I put it on, so we'll see.
And you needed me to taste test a little bit of that, did you say?
Do you really want to taste test it?
Just a little.
Really, I'm surprised.
Just a little. Because, you know, the people at home really need to know.
It's quite tasty.
It's a service. I'm doing it for them.
Yeah.
Yep. That's right. Price tag is a little, it's not cheap stuff.
No,
oh,
it's
man,
not.
That's good.
Well, I get it's also, what is it,
That's good.
50 pounds? How many pounds is this?
Yeah, you got a big old thing,
Yeah, it's a huge, it's 15 pounds. It's 15 pounds.
15 pounds, yeah.
So, yeah, it's
A lot.
expensive.
But it's really tasty.
It is, it's very good.
Very, very tasty.
So,
Yep.
okay.
And the name of the mold again, or the place you can get the mold?
A Cookies Boutique.
Cookies Boutique. If you just Google it, just look up
Cookies Boutique. So I'm going to roll this out. I'm not sure I have enough. Probably. All right, so get my cornstarch on the counter. Cornstarch or powdered sugar or a mix, depending on who you are and what you do. Move these out of the way. Some table I normally work on is a little bit bigger. Let's get this, it's too small. Got to pull out the big ruler for this.
Uh-oh. Stand back.
That's the husband beater.
Nice.
It is. It's actually
Nice.
a PVC pipe. Okay. So we're going to roll this out. Those of you that know me, you know, gosh, you know, I'm going to just do it as fast as I can, and I don't care about flaws because I'm all about hiding them. I don't have time to make things perfect. If I'm doing it for a show, yeah, you're going to make things perfect, but for every day, I'll just hide them.
I'm actually surprised at how, I mean, I've had Pet Nice before. It's just very pliable. It's really
It's
soft.
really soft. It's
really
because of the
soft.
trans fat thing.
Yeah.
It makes things really soft. It didn't used to be quite this soft.
So a little bit of experience, a little practice. It's not going to be like Satin Ice is a lot more.
It's a firmer.
Yeah,
It's a much firmer.
So you'd have to knead that a lot more than you would the Pet Nice.
Right.
But, you know, I think everybody needs to go practice with a bunch of different brands and find out what you like the best. And
Exactly.
sometimes use it for different parts of your project.
And
even.
this one's a little easier to, you know, roll out, obviously. I don't have to
Yeah.
use as much strength. Gosh, where are all these little things coming from?
Yeah.
So it'll tend to rip a little easier,
Yep.
you know, so yeah, you got to, and of course,
More careful.
yeah, normally I would have no problem with it, but we've got hot lights here and
Yeah.
it's supposed to reach 100 degrees, you
Yeah.
know, so
Air conditioning.
then you're going to have a problem. You're going to kind of fight with it, working with it.
Yep. Yeah. But it's tasty. Did I mention it was tasty?
It's very tasty.
It's really good.
It's really good. Okay. Make sure it's not sticking.
There you go. Yeah.
Okay.
Because one little stick and it rips.
Yeah, now when you have a really soft fondant, one of the tricks to do, got this in my cake, one of the tricks is to roll it out on a vinyl mat. So you got the vinyl mat to help you lift it up and over.
Right.
Okay, which I could do.